everybody, welcome to Next Gen Ecom episode number 5. Hope you're all having an amazing Friday so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you one little trick that I've used recently over the past month or two to lower my cost per purchase and get a better click-through rate for my ads. Now, this only works for feed ads. This is only something you can do for your Facebook feed, but I think it's very helpful. I've just discovered, I know some people have been doing it for a while, but I'm sure a lot of you watching this don't really know what it is. So let's go ahead and get into it. So when you're making an ad, this is the normal stuff when you're creating or making it creative. You have your description, the video. This is very old, by the way. This is an older ad account, but I want to use it as an example. I put my Facebook page there. Go check out my page if you haven't. I also upload little videos on there. This isn't the best description or anything like that in the world. This is just an example I'm using. This is for a butter grater, I guess. But whenever you have your placement selected of Instagram feed, desktop feed, or mobile feed, there's one thing you can do that can really help you out on your Facebook feeds, both desktop and mobile. And what that is newsfeed link description. You can add additional text. And I saw someone do this a long time ago, but I didn't really think it would make that big of a difference. But I started doing it, and I've actually seen a pretty big difference. So one thing, all you have to do, go to Google, type in black star emoji. At least this is how I do it. You can use a normal star emoji, but I think the black one looks the best for this little trick. So let's go ahead and go here. And basically what I'm doing is just increasing the credibility and social proof. So I'm gonna copy right here. I'm gonna go back, and what I'm gonna do, now there's a lot of variations you can do, but I'm just gonna go ahead and paste this, like, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and say something along the lines of, 4,762 happy ratings. All right, now what this is gonna do, like I said, there's multiple variations that you can type this in, is add that credibility down there. Now, free shipping today, I used to do that on all my ads, but now I usually, maybe I'll make a separate video about that. I don't wanna drag this one out about your headlines and why they're so important. But look, it adds this little line down here on Facebook feeds, both mobile and desktop, which just adds some credibility. You can have something that says, 5 out of 5 stars, or whatever you want it to say. I think this looks pretty good. It looks clean, and it increases the credibility and social proof. So people are more likely to click that shop now button or your call to action link up here because they see there's stars and ratings, and it doesn't look like it's just fake and added on there. It looks professional, like it's part of the ad, and that basically sort of just like having an app on your store that has reviews, but on your actual ads, so people don't have to go to the store to see reviews. They can just go ahead and see here, and if they want more details, they have to go to your website. Then you can retarget them. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out. Let me know in the comments as you try it. Also, what I want to know is some feedback. If you like these little episodes I've been doing in the morning, some things maybe I'm doing good, wrong, what you want to see, any feedback is good feedback for me. So leave it in the comments below. If you don't like something, tell me. I'll take it not personal, and I'll use it as constructive criticism to make these even better and better. So hope you all have a killer Friday. I'll see you tomorrow, Saturday morning, 6 a.m. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.